Hey everybody, Judy here. Today I'm showing you my projects that I finished. And this is the loom knitting project. This is the shawl that I made. I'll show you. It's one of them V-shaped shawls. I'll show you the stitch. I'll show you a picture at the end. And this is like the points of them. And this is the stitches that it made. It's loom knitted. I even made some of these chapstick cozies. Oh, why is that so dark? Oh, there it goes. The chapstick cozies. I made these where I can put chapstick. It's a chapstick holder. And I won't be doing a tutorial on this and showing you which loom that I use. And if I get some likes, maybe I'll show how to make these. On this video. So if I get like 50 likes, then I'll show how to make these. And this was done on a loom. And I like it. I made it like with one of these little chain things you can hang on your purse and won't lose your chapstick. I made the red one. I made a red one. And I also made a gray one. I'm going to put these little loops on there. I made a gray one. And these have the flaps on it so you can button them. And this one don't have, I made this one with no flap. So this one just goes on the inside. This one don't have no flap on it. And they can be just hooked on your purse. I made that. And these are pretty cute, so you don't lose your chapstick. And these are easy to make, and this would be a nice thing to make for the craft fair. Yep. So I made a lot of these. Just showing you some that I had left over. And then I also made some of these wreaths, and these are cute. These are little wreaths, and these are crocheted. Isn't that cute? It could be made into an ornament. You need to put a little string on it. You can make that one. That's made of green. And I made this one here. I made some like this, and I made another color which I don't have it. I made this one. These are wreaths. Isn't those cute? Made this one smaller than that one. And these are crocheted. And it's cute. I made that. And I made some gift boxes. And this gift box, this is paper craft. I put candy in there. And this is a little gift box I made. It's paper craft. I took some ribbon around the edges of it. And I can fill these with goodies, like some candy. And that's cute. I made that. And I made another little box. Here I made another little box, gift box. And that's going to hold another little gift. And I put this little Velcro thing on it to close it and keep it shut. This nice little gift can go in there. And I made some of these paper ornaments. And that's pretty big. This is made out of paper. I just glued them all together. I just took paper strips and a circle, glued all these together, and then made it into an ornament, paper ornament. Isn't that a cute ornament? And I made a whole bunch of these here. These are gift card holders. I made them all different. I have this one. This is a Santa stamp. I stamped the Santa. And I put a little opening to put a little ribbon around it. I made quite a few of these. And you can put your gift cards in there. And I took and stamped this image. It says Merry and Bright. And then over here you can write a little message. And you just slip your gift card in here. And that's a gift card holder that I made. Isn't that cute? And none of these I'm going to have tutorials on how to make them. This is just a project share. If I get a lot of likes on this video, then I'll show you how I made some of these. Otherwise, I won't be showing these projects. All these will be done in my Zoom class. These are all the ones that will be done in my Zoom class on how to make these. And this is so cute. I love this little gift card holder that I made. And everybody needs a good way to put their gift cards in it. Yep, and it won't even fall out. Well, it fell out, as long as you shake. If you don't shake it. Isn't that so nice? I love my paper crafts. And that's about what I've been working on. And I hope you get inspired and get into your crochet, your loom knitting, and your paper crafts. This is for all my people that come to my channel. I want them to see all what I've been working on. And this is what I've been working on. All these cute little projects. I love my little chapstick cozies, and I love my little wreaths, and I love my little boxes, and they're all so cute. There we go. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. And make sure you give it a like. And make sure you comment. And maybe I'll do tutorials. I know a lot of people would like to make these on the loom. For easy things to make. And you can sell in your craft fairs. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye-bye.